When you search for outdoor Wi-Fi security battery cameras, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy claims, but the real difference is, you have to look a little deeper to find what truly protects your home. Product number 1, RealHide 2K UHD Camera. First up is the RealHide Enhanced 2K UHD Security Camera. Priced at just $25.17, this camera caught my eye with its impressive features for the price. If you want a straightforward, reliable security solution, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this camera could be a game changer for you. The full-color night vision, powered by a built-in spotlight, keeps your space illuminated even when it's dark outside. And with a battery life of up to 6 months, you won't have to worry about constantly charging it. Plus, it offers dual-band Wi-Fi for a stable, lag-free connection, which is crucial for uninterrupted monitoring. With over 1,400 reviews averaging 4.5 stars, it's clear that many families trust this camera. Now, some people complained about the motion detection being a bit too sensitive, triggering alerts for passing cars or pets. Here's the thing though, if you tweak the sensitivity settings, it's usually manageable. It's a minor hiccup compared to the peace of mind it provides. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, long-lasting camera without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features like facial recognition. Honestly, for the price, it's a solid choice for basic home security. Now, if the RealHide's motion sensitivity concerns you, this next camera might take a different approach. Product number 2, VisionWell 2K Camera. Next, we have the VisionWell Security Camera, retailing at $28.22. What stood out to me was its AI motion detection and spotlight feature. If you want a smart camera that really knows what's going on outside, this is worth considering. The VisionWell camera delivers 2K HD video and features full-color night vision. Its AI motion detection can differentiate between people, pets, and vehicles, meaning you get alerts only when they matter most. This is huge because it reduces those annoying false alarms. Plus, it has a rechargeable battery that can last between 1 to 5 months depending on usage, so it's quite flexible. With over 13,400 reviews and a 4.2-star rating, it's clear this one has a solid user base. Now, some reviews mentioned it doesn't support 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which can be a hassle if you have a dual-band router. But honestly, most homes still use 4 GHz for their devices, so this shouldn't be a deal-breaker for most users. This is perfect for you if you want advanced motion detection in a user-friendly package. Skip this if you absolutely need 5 GHz support for your Wi-Fi. For the price, it's a really smart investment in your home's security. Alright, that was a good option, but let's see what the next camera brings to the table. Product number 3, TZIRP 2K Camera. Coming in at $53.99, the TZIRP security cameras offer a 2-pack for your home. I was intrigued by the zoom capability and its overall performance. If you're looking for comprehensive coverage, this one might just fit the bill. The TZIRP cameras provide 2K UHD video and a 3x digital zoom, which is perfect for scrutinizing details like faces or license plates. It sends real-time alerts to your phone whenever it detects motion, and the two-way audio lets you communicate with anyone on your property. It's also designed to be weatherproof, so you can count on it in any conditions. With 1,500 reviews and a rating of 4.1 stars, users generally appreciate its performance. However, some users have pointed out that the AI features like person detection require a subscription. Here's the thing, if you're looking for basic motion detection, you can still use it without the subscription. It's just an upgrade for those who need more advanced features. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable 2-pack for extensive coverage. Skip this if you're not interested in potential subscription costs for advanced features. In terms of value, it's a competitive option for dual security cameras. Now, if you're looking for something solar-powered, the next product might catch your attention. Product number 4, SCHMUA Solar Security Camera. Now let's talk about the SCHMUA Solar Security Camera, priced at $38.99. The solar-powered feature really piqued my interest. If you want a hassle-free installation and continuous power, this could be the one for you. This camera offers 2K HD video and advanced color night vision, making it easy to monitor your outdoor areas. The added bonus is its solar-powered capability, which means you won't ever have to worry about changing batteries as long as there's sunlight. A full 360-degree rotation allows it to cover a wide area, and with its IP65 waterproof rating, it can handle all weather conditions. With around 6,300 reviews and an average rating of 4.3 stars, it's gaining popularity for good reason. However, some users mention that the spotlight feature needs to be activated manually for night vision, which could be a bit inconvenient. But if you set it up properly, it's easy to manage. This is perfect for you if you want a solar-powered, low-maintenance security camera. Skip this if you live in a place with limited sunlight. Honestly, it's a smart choice for anyone looking to cut down on battery replacement hassle. Now, if you're interested in something that combines solar power with advanced features, let's check out the last product. Product number 5, Hisiu Solar Security Cameras. Finally, we have the Hisiu Solar Security Cameras, a 2-pack priced at $59.99. The combination of solar power and high-definition video caught my attention. If you want something that works well without constant recharging, listen up. These cameras offer 4MP HD video and color night vision capabilities, ensuring you see everything clearly day or night. The built-in 5200 mAh battery can support up to 5,000 triggers, and the solar feature keeps it charged without needing to swap batteries regularly. Plus, the peer detection minimizes false alarms, which is a big deal for busy households. With ratings of 4.3 stars from 2,100 reviews, it's well received. That said, some users found setting up the app a bit tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, the camera works beautifully. This is perfect for you if you need an efficient, low-maintenance security solution. Skip this if you're not comfortable with tech setup. For a 2-pack, it's a solid investment in home safety. Now, let's wrap up and see how these all stack up against each other. To sum it all up, we've got the Real Hide for budget-friendly basics, Vision Well for smart detection, Tizirp for dual coverage, SCHMUA for solar power, and Hisiu for advanced features. Each has its strengths, so it really comes down to your specific needs. Whichever you choose, you'll be a step closer to keeping your home safe and secure.